when you play, you have to make sure that you pay attention what is the angle between the bow and the string. We are not going to measure it, but I will teach you how to learn to choose the best angle. Why is it important? Well, if you choose the wrong angle, you will notice that your bow will go this way. It will be moving along the string, up and down. And that will make very strange sound. You will never be able to achieve good sound quality. So if you start playing and you see that your bow all over the place, that means that you need to pay more attention to the angle of the bow. Unfortunately, it's fairly complicated since every string requires slightly different angle. But you have time to learn. So the first thing you have to consider is the position of the bow here. You can check it in relation to corners of the cello. This part of the cello is called C-bout, and the bow should stay right in between of those two corners. So on the A string, it will look like this. And when you will play, you will have to make sure that you turn your wrist and you send your bow in the direction away from yourself. You can make this exercise just without the bow. Imagine you actually are playing and make sure that your right hand goes this direction, away. Let's try it with the bow on the A string. On the D string, you will have to turn the bow a little bit this way. And you can try to play. And you will see that your bow will stay on the same spot. It will not go up or down. Now, when you switch to the G string, you turn the bow this way even more. So you can start thinking about this C-bout, this side of the cello, and try to make sure that the bow is somewhere between those corners. And then when you go to the C string, you will have to turn the bow even more. You will feel that your elbow is quite close to your body and your bow will go this way. Not away, remember how you did when you played on the A string, but quite different direction. So the bow will go a little bit behind yourself, this way. It's not too early to start thinking about that, but no worries if it will not work exactly the same way. So more you play, the more experience you get, and you will start playing better and better.